Hi guys, thanks for watching another episode of Interior Design with Rae. So today I'm going to show you the commencement of this 3-room resale flat at Potong Pasir. Okay, so it's a low-rise 4-story HDB resale flat. Okay, so because this is on the ground floor unit, okay, so there's this staircase going up. Okay, at this staircase area here, right, the floor tiles will be replaced, okay, with a new floor tiles. Right, you can see that these are all very old pattern ceramic tiles. Okay, so as you enter, okay, so this area is going to be entrance foyer. So there's going to be this sliding glass door that's going to segregate this space here. Okay, over at this existing living area is going to be converted into a dining. Okay, over at this side here you can see that this storeroom. So existing storeroom will be removed as well. The entire storeroom wall. Okay, this wall also is going to be removed. Right, so this is the main entrance. This is one of the common bedroom. So this common bedroom will be converted into a living. It's a bit dark here, but anyway, it's going to be a living. Okay, and then the entrance to the master will be from this side here. So the existing master entrance will be sealed up. Okay, this is the master bedroom. Okay, so the master bedroom will still remain as master bedroom. Okay, and this is the master bathroom. The entire bathroom will be hacked down. Okay, the wall and the floor tiles. You can see there's a lot of external piping. Okay, so all this will be boxed up. Existingly, the shower is there. Vanity is here. So this vanity is going to be shifted somewhere there. Okay, and then the shower will be at the corner. Okay, so this is the entrance wall to the kitchen. The entire kitchen will also be hacked down, including the flooring. Okay, you can see these are all very vintage mosaic tiles. Right, even the wall is quite vintage as well. So all this will be removed. If you realize there's this hanger on top. Okay, initially I thought it was a beam, but it's not, it's a hanger. So in order to hack away this hanger, okay, you need the HDB approval and endorsed by a professional engineer. Okay, if you want to remove this hanger, right? If not, then you just have to apply hacking down the walls below the hanger. The thing about this kitchen right now is part of it will be becoming a dry pantry kitchen. Okay, that means I'll take this hanger as a guide. Right, that is the middle of this dry pantry area. Okay, followed by the dining is there. Okay, and then there'll be a sliding door to segregate the wet kitchen and the dry pantry area. So I keep the wet kitchen at the far side there, just to keep the mess away. Okay, and also it helps in the cooling of the room. Once you block this entrance to the wet kitchen, then this entire space can be cooled even faster. Okay, so let's take a look at the yard area. Okay, so I think a lot of 3-room flat or old HDB flats have this vanity area. Okay, the sink is always above the rubbish chute, okay, which makes it very hard to throw your rubbish. So this will be hacked away, and the wet kitchen will stop until here. Okay, this line here. Okay, there's some piping. Okay, wet kitchen will stop here, and this one will become the service yard. Okay, so there's also a sliding door here. The service yard will be bigger, slightly bigger right now. Okay, so step down, and then it goes to the back door.